Alright guys, today we're gonna paint the caliper and regenerate a little bit the brakes without changing anything for now, since they are not too bad still. And also I haven't received the rotor. I want to replace the rotor and the pads. But first, today we're gonna paint the calipers and kind of like get a better look of the brakes in general. Let's do it. This is what we are dealing with. This is how they look from the front. They look toasted. This is how they look from the front. They look toasted. Looks like after the first coat of primer. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like after 3 coats of white primer fillers. I don't see much the filler action in here, but it looks pretty good. Overall, I'm satisfied with the color. So now it's time to apply the yellow. It looks like after the first coat of primer. This is how it looks like. So the first coat is just to make the yellow and white become friends. It's just gonna be just a little tiny bit. You won't apply, you won't overspray or apply too much. I watched some tutorial before and some people were kind of like overspray all over the place and say, I like when it's overspray on the caliper anyway, you don't see it. That's not my strategy over here. So that's pretty much it. This is how it's supposed to look like after the first coat of yellow.